guys.
Alright, guys.
Oh wait,
Guys,
wait, dude.
this lava's gonna come attack. We need resources. Food.
Yes, we need.
All the things to survive. And when that buzzer goes off, lava comes.
Yes.
Try not to get in it. Go in
Yeah.
it, you're dead. Oh, mini game.
Well, actually, I'm kind of immune to lava. Didn't I already tell you that?
Oh yeah, we're both immune to lava,
But your power is kind of limited, though. So.
I was warned about this when it happened when I was little. My parents died in that lava. They threw me up here. Oh my god, when it was gone, I stayed here for the rest of my life. Help! Never went in, out. Yeah. Help me! Help! See what's going on out there. Looks like they're all dead.
They're not all dead.
That one's my outro. Someone's
just-
still alive.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Anyway, viewers, do you like my long arms? Okay. Anyway, you're just playing your controller from good. Oh! There's a person alive.
You gotta help us.
There's people alive.
Down here.
I'll save you.
Oh no!
Bibbidi bobbidi boo, I grant you the power to swim in lava. You're able, oh.
Where are they at? Come on.
I already saved them.
Come on, go. Does this thing wear off?
Yeah. But it won't be in like 10 seconds. Okay. Wait,
I'll
where?
give you lava powers so you can be immune to lava.
Okay, we're safe now. Now let's get to the. Okay, we need to get up to the tree stump.